Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign in to the Lloyds banking group. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.lloydsbankinggroup.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Lloyds Banking Group opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a menu bar. On that menu, click on the Careers option. After you click on the Careers option, scroll down and click on the Start Your Job Search option. Once you click on the Start Your Job Search option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Sign In option, a menu or a form will appear on your screen. On this form, you'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the sign in option. Once you click on the sign in option, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the Lloyds banking group. I hope this video helped you to log into the Lloyds banking group. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.